बच्चों, कैसे हो? बहुत दिन बाद, है ना? I am really busy in so many works. So sorry for that, guys. Today I will discuss about only one topic, that is the mole concept. What is mole concept? Why mole? And some numerical problems. And what is the value of value of Avogadro numbers? How it came? Okay. So only mole. So mole. So prepare हो जाइए. Copy लो, pen लो, and start कर लो. So today start mole concept. मोल अरे मोल क्या है? क्या मोल है? मोल के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. स्टूडेंट वाले साहब, एवरी स्टूडेंट्स रिक्वेस्ट में साहब मोल कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर दीजिए. मोल क्या है? मोल नथिंग है. ओके, इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स यू हैव लर्नड अबाउट फर्स्ट एटॉमिक मास. यू नो व्हाट इज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एटॉम. व्हाट इज ग्राम एटॉमिक मास, GAM. ओके, व्हाट इज molecular mass, what is gram molecular mass, GMM. I have discussed in my basic concepts of chemistry class 11. But this concept, mole concept, class 9 के लिए, 10 के लिए, 11 के लिए, all you can evolve. Atomic mass unit, you know what is AMU. I have learned, you have learned, I have explained. Today also I will explain what is the atomic mass unit. उसका वैल्यू, जिसका वैल्यू है 1.67 atomic mass unit, AMU. All you know. What is GAM, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, GMM. All you have learned, atomic mass unit. You also learned 1.67 10 to the power minus 24 gram. इसका वैल्यू 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Atomic mass unit. Simply U. So, which is also known as what? That 1 Dalton. 1 Dalton. Which is also known as the 1/12th mass of the carbon 12. 1/12th mass of. It is also known as Dalton. It is known as 1/12th the mass of C12 carbon 12. Okay, of 1/12th the mass of what? Carbon atom. Okay, this is AMU. Okay, so why mole? What is mole? Mole, it is the German introduced by the actually Avogadro. It is mole means heap or pile, and whose value will be is 6.022 mole. जिसका वैल्यू 6.022 into 10 to the power 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 1 mole का मतलब ये है. तो how this come, value come, and why mole? Why is the mole concept? Have you imagined? Do you imagine? But do you consider? Suppose what is the mass of? What is the number of molecules in 1 gram of sugar, in 1 gram of salt, 1 gram of any molecules? Do you consider how many numbers of molecules present in 1 drop of water? 1 drop of water में कितना molecule है? You can't imagine. If you consider, if you measures the number of molecules present in 1 gram of any substance, say salt, say sugar, you cannot imagine. A large number will come. So in that case, a large number, very large numbers come, and we have to unable to express that numbers. Yeah, clear? In that case, suppose mole. That is, you have learned the word gross. Dozen. 1 dozen कितना? 1 dozen. You have learned 1 dozen 12. 12. 1 dozen banana. 1 dozen केला. 1 dozen bread. 1 dozen egg. इसका मतलब 12. 12. 10 dozen means 120. 100 dozen means 100 dozens. Into 1200. बाजार जाओ 1200 egg ले आओ. We do not say. What we say? A 12 dozen banana ले आओ. 12 dozen egg ले आओ. So only simply 1 dozen means 12. It is a simply pile. Dozen means 12. We all know. The same thing. Similarly, 1 moles, that is the concept for counting numbers, counting moles, counting atoms, counting ions. As this is a big number, this is a large number. In that case, we have to count the atoms, molecules, ions. In case of any molecules or atoms or ions, huge number of atoms, molecules are there. As this one doesn't go 12, I'm simplified by very simplified form. 12, 1 dozen, 12. 12 नहीं होना चाहिए, 1 dozen होना चाहिए. 10 dozens, 11 dozens, 100 dozens. Similarly, we have to express the large small numbers. In case of counting numbers, we have to express by mole. So 1 mole is equals to what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 2 mole, 2 into this. 10 moles, 10 into this. So this is the, what is the number? Imagine. 10 का पास कितना नाम, this is 0 होगा, 23 0 होगा. 6 into this, 6 बाद दो, 10 into 23 में मतलब क्या होगा? Can you imagine? Can you calculate? Can you consider this number? Suppose you have this pen, 1 mole you have pen. Where you will keep this pen? Count. Brought, buy, go to the market and buy. Market, go and buy. Tell the shopkeepers, give me 1 mole of pen and keep it in your home. Place will be large. So you can't imagine how many numbers of pen will be there. Similarly, 1 mole is this is 1 mole. Yeah, 5 mole, 10 mole you can. And what we have learned in the physics and chemistry also, this basic quantity, the mole is considered, it is considered the 7th basic quantity. Kya? Clear? The 7th basic quantity, it is also known as the 7th basic quantity. Mole is considered the 7th basic quantity. Clear? It is the 7th basic quantity. So what is the definition of mole? The amount of substance, it is the amount of substance, right? It is the, what is mole definition? The amount of substance that can, it is the amount of substance, okay, that contains, amount of substance that contains, it is the amount of substance that contains as many, is the amount of substance that contains as many discrete entities, as there are atoms in, okay, in 12 gram of C12 isotope, carbon 12 or C12 isotope, C12 of carbon, C12 isotopes, 12 gram of C12 isotopes. You have learned, this is the definition of mole. It is the amount of substance that contains as many discrete entities as there are atoms in 12 gram of, remind it, 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. We have taken the carbon 12 as standard. With respect to carbon 12 gram में जितना है entities, we have 1 mole, and that is the value of this. So by the help of the mole, you can calculate so many things. You can calculate by the help of the moles. You can calculate by express any things as you can express by in terms of quantity. Yes, in terms of weight, in terms of volume. You can in terms of volume. I will discuss later. That is quantity. Quantity means given quantity by what? Count number of atoms or molecules, and weight by molecular mass. Weight means given weight by molecular mass or atomic mass, and volume given volume by 12.4 liter at STP. 12.4 liter volume given by 12.4 liter. Clear? So you can also express the mole in terms of quantity, in terms of weight, in terms of volume. I am coming. So let's calculate 1 mole is what? Next calculate 1 mole. You are writing this. How this value come? 1 mole is what? So start. तुम्हें प्यार हो गया बहुत दिन से, तुमको नाराज हो गया क्यों भाई? कंसिडर करो, थोड़ा कंसिडर करो. चलो नेक्स्ट. So you have to find out the mole mass of one carbon atom, or how is the value of 1 mole, how it comes. Okay, 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecules or ions. First consider, we have to find out the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. Yeah, mass of 1 carbon, mass of 1 carbon 12 atom का mass you have to find out. The carbon 12, carbon का अंदर, what do you know? Carbon 6 and 12, you know, carbon 6 and 12, that means इसका न्यूक्लियस में क्या होगा है, 6 प्रोटॉन है, 6 न्यूट्रॉन है और 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन बार में घूम रहा है. You have learned the 6 प्रोटॉन and 6 न्यूट्रॉन है. That means इसका जो मास है, कार्बन का अंदर 6 प्रोटॉन है and 6 न्यूट्रॉन है. So that is it is the mass of proton and plus mass of neutron. So what do you know? Mass of proton near about the mass of neutron. So 6 proton, 6 neutron, we can consider 12 proton. That is 6 proton plus 6 neutron, we can consider 12 proton. The mass of 12 proton. What is the mass of proton? Near about 1.67 10 to the minus 24 gram. So it is 12 into mass of 1 proton. 12 into mass of 1 proton, clear? The 12 into 1.67 10 to the power minus 24, clear? This is gram. Okay, the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom ka mass 12 into 1.67 10 to the minus 24 gram. Okay, and what we know, and we also can write this is 1.67 into 10 to the minus 24 gram means what? 1 mu. I am coming. How to find out? This is 1 AMU, atomic mass unit. So we can write 12 AMU. Clear भैया? ऐसा भाई लोग clear है? What is mass of 1 carbon 12 atom का mass कितना हुआ? 12 into 1.67 10 to the minus 24 gram. Clear? If you consider this is 1 mu, that means 12 into 1 mu, 12 mu. You can write this is in terms of gram, in terms of AMU. This is gram, this is AMU. So this mass of 1 carbon 12 का mass 12 mu होगा और 12 into 1.67 10 to the minus 24 gram. Clear? If you, how? So what I am telling? How to find out the mole. 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the 23, and you have to find out. Yeah, coming. Just write this sentence. Write this. Reverse order. That means you can write 12 into, this is, you can write 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. This gram, it is the, what is this? It is the mass of, it is the mass of what? Mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. Yeah, it is the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom. Therefore, you have to find out what is the mass of 12 gram carbon 12. The mass is 12 gram. You can write 1 gram mass. कितना होगा? The 12 gram. You can write 12 gram carbon 12 का mass कितना होगा? Right, 1 by this into 12. That means 1 by this 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 12. This ऐसे 12 cut दो, 1 by this into 10 to the 24, and this value will come what? And this value will come 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. ये ऊपर जाएगा, माइनस होगा तो प्लस होगा, and this will come what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is the 12 gram carbon 12 में, ये 12 gram carbon 12 में कितना I have already told. Definition written, as many entities present as 12 gram of carbon C12. Okay, so 12 ग्राम कार्बन में 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 कार्बन 12 एटम है, कार्बन 12 एटम प्रेजेंट है. Okay, so this is the number. This is known as 1 mole. This is known as 1 mole. And who has discovered this? You all know. The same temperature and pressure. What? Same temperature, pressure, same volume of all gases contain same number of molecules, same number of atoms. Amido Avogadro. That is Avogadro. That is Berzelius. Same number of molecules, same number of atoms, same number of molecules. At STP, same number of molecules क्या है? Avogadro molecules. That is Avogadro Na. Avogadro numbers. Remind it, Avogadro number, Avogadro constant is different. It different. It has no unit, but it has unit. Thora. Now come, what is AMU? I have written, this is AMU. The AMU means what? What is the definition? I have told AMU means 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon. AMU का मतलब, okay, I am again telling you, I have written out here, this is 1 AMU. How? What is, say, what is written 1 AMU? 1 AMU, I have written the 1/12 the mass of, okay, 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon, one atom of C12, okay, of C12, that is the of carbon. You can write also of carbon. 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon, one atom of carbon. You can write 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon, that is 1/12 into the mass of one atom of carbon. कितना? Mass of 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon. कितना? Mass of one atom of carbon. This 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24. Clear? So 12 cut दो. So 1 m equals to this. 1 m equals to this gram. Clear? This is gram. So 1 mu equals to this gram. Clear? So what is the value of 1 mu? What is 1 mu? What is mole? What is the value of mole? Avogadro number. Value कितना है? How this value came? I have discussed. So that is, we have to learn 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, yeah, equals to Avogadro number at STP. Okay. So if you consider 1 mole of sodium, 1 mole of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen atom, 1 mole of oxygen molecules, 1 mole of weighted H2O, 1 mole of sodium ion, chloride ion, whatever you can write. 1 mole का जो constant fixed value है 6.023. Whatever you write, 1 mole oxygen, 1 mole hydrogen, 1 mole water, whatever you can write. 1 mole, and suppose 1 mole hydrogen atom, this is molecule, whatever you can write, all are same value, 6.022 10 to the power 23. In case of atom, it will be atoms. In case of molecules, molecules. Clear? In case of ions, it will be ions. So you can write atoms, molecules, ions. 1 mole fixed. 1 mole के लिए at STP में कितना नंबर ऑफ एटम्स होगा? इतना. कितना नंबर मॉलिक्यूल होगा? इतना. कितना नंबर ऑफ आयन होगा? इतना. Clear? Okay. So let's discuss some sums. Now, remember one thing, the 1 gram atom or 1 gram of atom is different. 1 gram atom, 1 molecule, 1 gram molecule, 1 gram atom, 1 gram molecule, 1 gram atom equals to 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Avogadro number. Clear? 1 ग्राम ऑफ एटम नहीं है, 1 ग्राम एटम्स नहीं होगा. 1 ग्राम एटम का मतलब 1 मोल. Remind you, it's very important thing. It will come. Sometimes students may get confused. The 1 grams atoms. No. 1 gram of atoms. 1 gram of atoms. 1 gram of atom. 1 gram atoms. नहीं. यह बात याद रखना बच्चों लोग. 1 ग्राम एटम 1 मोल. 1 मोल का मतलब 1 ग्राम जो एटम जो होगा वही है 1 मोल. 1 ग्राम मॉलिक्यूल जो होगा वही है Avogadro number. Clear? And you think one thing, you have learned the mole, you have learned atomic mass, you have learned molecular mass. So in same, molar mass क्या है? The mass of 1 mole of substance. Molar mass. Don't confused. Molar mass. उसका मतलब क्या है? The mass of 1 mole of substance in gram. Mass of 1 mole of substance in gram. I'm writing very speedily for your convenience. Mass of 1 mole of substance in gram is known as molar mass. Clear? The molar mass of carbon कितना होगा? If you have to find the molar mass, right? The molar mass of C12 कितना होगा? बताओ. मोलर मास ऑफ कार्बन 12 का मोलर मास कितना होगा? 1 मोल कितना? चलो राइट आंसर. 1 मोल कितना? 6.022 10 to the power 23. ऑल यू नो. मोलर मास ऑफ द मोलर मास का मतलब क्या है? मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ सब्सटेंस. मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ सब्सटेंस इन ग्राम. तो व्हाट इज 1 मोल? दिस इज. पहले मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ कार्बन कितना है? यू हैव लर्न. मास ऑफ 1 कार्बन एटम कितना है? You have learned mass of 1 gram of carbon atom. Okay? The mass of 1 carbon atom. Mass of 1 carbon atom. अच्छा 1 carbon atom लिखो. Mass of 1 carbon atom. 1 carbon 12 atom by carbon atom. Whatever you can write. So what is the mass of 1 carbon 12 atom? 12 into what? You have written 1.67 10 to the power 20 minus 24. 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. You have written just a few minutes ago. The mass of 1 carbon 12 atom 12 into this gram. Okay, or 12 AMU. I have written just. If mass of 1 carbon 12 में कितना मोल है? 1 मोल. 1 मोल मान means this. Clear? The molar mass of carbon 12 कितना? 12 gram. We know molar mass of carbon 12 का 12 gram. The mass of 1 mole, the mass of 1 carbon, the mass of 1 mole का मतलब होच्छे और 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. या 10 to 23 atom क्या होगा? इसका साथ 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होने से आएगा 1. तो मास मोलर मास ऑफ कार्बन 12 आ गया 12 ग्राम. 12 ग्राम या ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. तो मोलर मास ऑफ कार्बन 12 आ गया कितना? 12 ग्राम. 12 ग्राम. और एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन 12 कितना होगा? 12 AMU. 12 AMU. एटॉमिक मास होगा 12 AMU. मोलर मास होगा 12 ग्राम. ग्राम एटॉमिक मास या ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. तो जस्ट दिस वैल्यू इज सेम. रिमाइंड इट न्यूमेरिकली द वैल्यू इज न्यूमेरिकली सेम. 12 AMU और 12 ग्राम. 12 AMU ये मोलर एटॉमिक मास होगा 12 AMU. Value is same, numerical value is same, but units is different. Remind it. So last you can calculate. Clear बच्चों. So what we learned, we have to calculate the number of moles in case of atoms, in case of monoatomic, in case of atoms, in case of molecules. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, यू कैन एलिमेंट्स के क्षेत्र, एलिमेंट्स के लिए और कंपाउंड के लिए एंड गैस के लिए, you have to find out the number of moles. The number of moles, we can write also, we can write it also by with the help of the numerical problem given. I will have to solve the problem, and from that solvent you can write that formula, or either that or directive formula, number of moles equals to mass given in case of element, gram atomic mass. Mass given by gram atomic mass in case of elements. I am giving the example. The number of moles you have to find out, the element, कोई elements के number of moles तुमको निकालना है. How you निकलेगा कैसे? मोलर मास गिवन एंड डिवाइडेड बाय उसका एटॉमिक मास, ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. उसका जो एटॉमिक मास है उसको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करो, निकल जाएगा. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स in case of compound, that means molecules, same thing, nothing, mass given by gram molecular mass in case of compounds only, by molecules only. Clear? In case of number 3, number of moles, the 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. If you have to find at STP, number of in case of gas, the gas means volume will be given. Gas means volume. That means volume given by 22.4 liter at STP. A gas के लिए. Okay? So volume given by 22.4 liter. This is the formula. You have to find out number of moles. Okay? Find number of moles. Suppose a sum is given. Find the number of moles of oxygen atom present in 32 gram oxygen, 62 gram, 64 gram oxygen. Easy. Okay? You can write it in. No down here. Okay? I am rubbing. Okay, mopping out. Okay? Suppose you have to find the number of moles of oxygen atom in present in 64 gram oxygen, 32 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन. एक नंबर में हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? आई हैव इट राइट. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 32 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. 32 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन में कितना नंबर ऑफ मोल्स है? 32 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन में फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटॉम. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ऑक्सीजन एटॉम्स. ऐसे तुमको नोटिस करने पड़ेगा. ये एटम्स है ना मॉलिक्यूल्स है. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इक्वल्स टू मास गिवन बाय ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. हो गया आंसर. मास गिवन, कितना मास गिवन? ये हो सकता है 64 ग्राम, 32, व्हाट एवर यू राइट. सपोज 32. क्लियर? ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कितना? 16. कितना होगा? 2 मोल. आंसर हो गया. इफ इट इज 64 ग्राम तो 64 ओके बाय 16 4 मोल. व्हाट एवर यू कैन राइट. 32 by 16 2 moles 4 moles. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकाल गया. इधर यू कैन राइट 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कितना बोलो? 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम. 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम इक्वल्स टू कितना? मास 16 ग्राम है. तो मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम 16 ग्राम. तो 16 ग्राम इक्वल्स टू 1 मोल. क्लियर? 1 mole of 16 gram equals to 1 mole of oxygen atom. 1 mole of oxygen atom. 1 gram equals to 1 by 16. कितना given है? 64 gram equals to 64 by 16 mole of oxygen atom equals to 4 mole. हो गया? ये हो गया. What I told, I will give the example by doing this problem sums or direct formula मिला के. You have write in direct formula or in this way, and from here formula will come. What is the given mass by gram atomic mass in case of atom के लिए. So molecule के लिए होगा given mass by gram molecular mass. सपोज वाटर H2O, वाटर का मोलिकुलर मास कितना है 18, सम गिवन मास बाई मोलिकुलर मास, हो गया. एट आयन होगा आयन, सेम थिंग. ओके, देयर आर सो मेनी सम्स आर देयर. आई विल shall I do more sums? Shall I explain? No. Okay. Do practice from your books. I will give some numerous problems. I will send you. So go to the description box and check it out. Whatever the problems, तुरंत भेजो. I will solve. So thank you. Okay. So my dost, my friends, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it, like it, comment it. Thank you. Okay. Goodbye.